Okay, guys, so we are going to open up Robotc. There it is. Okay. And now, first thing we want to do when it's been a while since we've been in Robotc is download. Click OK. It's just less than a minute. So it's completed successfully. Click OK. Now we want to go to Robot, Platform Type, and you need to be on VEX 2.0 Cortex and Natural Language PLTW. If neither of these are checked, then you're going to have to go into Robot twice into Platform Type to perform this. But you can see I've got the dot at VEX 2.0 and Natural Language PLTW. Not this other natural language, we want the PLTW. So if that's taken care of, then we can create a new file, and we right away want to save as. So go to File, Save As, and now the first thing I'm going to do is see where it's lit up blue, source file 002. We want to rename that. So I'm going to name this etch underscore a underscore sketch underscore, and I'm going to make the letter R. No, let's make the letter S. Let's do the letter O. So we'll do the letter O, and then you would want to do your name so that you name it as your file. Okay, now an important thing about saving it. Over here in this left-hand margin of the window, that's where you find where you're saving it. And now I don't have a USB plugged in, so I'll show how I would save it to this SD card. You're going to look for, probably going to say a D in parentheses, like this has the E in parentheses. You want to look for the D, and I believe your thumb drive's going to be named something like Comp 10 or Comp 7, whichever computer you have. Okay, so make sure you save it in the right place. Click Save. Now, we need to create our pragma. So we're going to go to Motor and Sensor Setups, and we're going to use these tabs up here that I'm lighting up blue. We're going to click on Motors. We're going to go port 2. We're going to put left motor with a capital M, no space, and then the type is a VEX 393 motor. Port 3, right, capital M, motor. And that's also a VEX 393. Now in other projects I've told you to reverse one of these. We're not doing that in this project. But we do need to add a sensor, and it's a digital sensor. Digital sensors are just on or off, like push buttons, okay? On or off. So we're going to go to Digital 1, and we're going to select the touch sensor. And I'm just going to name this Push. Okay? Now, click OK. And we have generated our pragma code. So you can see it up there above the task main. Okay, so now let's open up natural language, movements, and start motor. We're going to drag to, for me it's line 8, and I'm going to try out my left motor. So I'm going to do left motor, spell it exactly the same, and where it says speed, I'm going to put 25. That's really slowing our motor down. Okay, now since we're already in this file movement, I'm going to get the stop command and I'm going to skip a line. And I'm going to put left motor inside of there. Okay, now we need here in between start and stop a wait command. So I'm going to click on wait, open up that file, and I want wait in milliseconds. Now, gotta give it a time, so I'm going to give it 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. And we'll just see how far and in what direction will a forward 25 movement of the left motor, how far will it travel in 1 second? Basically, we're trying to figure out the ratio, right? So before I compile this and program it, I am going to make sure that my my drawing device inside the etch-a-sketch is right in the middle. Okay, so I got it to the center of the screen. Now I'm compiling and I'm going to download this program. And I'm going to click start and just see what it does. So a forward movement of the left motor moved me from left to right, and I'm going to say it's about 2 inches. A good idea might be to actually get out a ruler and measure the line that it created. And then that's going to give you a proportional idea of how to create different size lines based on how long you run the motor for at a speed of 25. If you were to change the speed, you would want to test it all over again. I've been pretty happy with using the speed 25, so I think we'll use that for our first build. And that's it for this video.